Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn all about resistance and immunity. So let's start with first introduction. Since the time a child is conceived and then throughout the life, body of an individual is under constant attack of invaders, which include various bacteria, viruses, parasites, etc. To protect itself from the attack of these invaders, the body has developed an enormous range of protective measures. These are called as a body defense mechanism. Body has two defense mechanisms. First is non-specific defense mechanism. It's collectively termed as innate immunity. Second is a specific defense mechanism. It's collectively termed as acquired immunity. So first we will see definition of immunity. The term immunity refers to the resistance exhibited by the host against foreign matter, both living and non-living. So let's see what is the role of immunity in our body. Protection against infections caused by the microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, viruses, parasites, etc. Inactivation of non-microbial foreign substance like pollen, grains, dust, etc. Destruction of cancer cells formed inside the body. This way, immunity is role in our body. And second is the classification of immunity. First, innate or natural immunity, and second is acquired or specific immunity. First, innate immunity. Innate or natural immunity depends on the genetic makeup of the individual. It is present since birth. It is not specific to any particular foreign substance or cells. Example, protection provided by the skin and mucous membrane, gastric acid present in the stomach, tears, phagocytosis by the neutrophils and macrophages. And second one is acquired immunity. Acquired or specific immunity is developed by the body after an attack by the specific foreign substance or a microorganism which act as an antigen. The acquired immunity can either be passively or actively. The first is active immunity. Involves a direct encounter with the antigen. Active immunization against a microbe can be achieved by the injecting its antigens into the body and its vaccines. And second is a passive immunity. Is acquired without an encounter within the antigen. For example, during pregnancy, mother antibodies cross the placenta and provide a passive immunity to the fetus. So it's all about immunity. Now we talk about resistance. In resistance mechanism, two immunity take part in. First is humoral immunity and the second one is the cell-mediated immunity. First is the humoral immunity. Humoral immunity is mediated by the B lymphocyte. When the foreign antigens binds to the specific receptors on B cells membrane, it gets activated. The activation of B cell is also augmented by the helper T lymphocytes and cytokines secreted by the macrophage. So let's see which way humoral immunity is act. Mechanism of humoral immunity. First is the antigen binds to the receptors of the B cells, then B cell activated and proliferated and differentiated into a plasma cell. Plasma cell secretes antibodies and this antibody combines with the antigen, and now the antigen antibody complex is formed, and phagocytosis is by neutrophils and macrophages, and finally destruction of foreign matters. And so this way humoral immunity acts and protect our body. And second one is cell-mediated immunity. Cell-mediated immunity or cellular immunity is mediated by the T lymphocyte. Functionally, T lymphocyte can be categorized into four types. First is a killer T cells or cytotoxic T cells. Second one is helper T cells. Third one is suppressor T cell, and fourth is memory T cells. Cytotoxic and suppressor T cells have a CD8 receptors and so are commonly known as the CD8 plus cells. Helper T cells have a CD4 receptor and hence also known as the CD4 cells. And also we will see mechanism of the cell mediated immunity. First is invading foreign bodies are either engulfed by the macrophages, then antigenic material are released from invading organism, then partially digestion of antigens and presentation of antigen by the APC, antigen presenting cell, then activation of T cell, and these T cells secrete cytokinins. And cytokinins act as three ways. First is activate B cell, then activate cytotoxic T cell, and third is activation of memory T cell. In those activate of cytotoxic T cells secrete perforins and destroy cells. Any variable in any of the immunity creates serious problems and create an infection, so be aware from external environment. And thank you.